Hey folks, Shawn over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to determine how much an annuity will pay you per month. Whether that's $10,000, $500,000, $1 million, whatever you want, this is the best way to do it. And the good news is you don't have to plug in your information to get an outcome. You can just do it freely, anonymously, and then when you're ready to pick up the phone and contact an annuity professional, you can do so. That's our goal here at the Annuity Expert. Give you as much knowledge as possible so you can make a confident decision. So here's how you would find out how much an annuity will pay you per month. Go Google or Yahoo, Bing, whatever, the Annuity Expert. We will pop up. You're going to go over here to our calculators. Go to retirement-based calculators, annuity calculator. Okay. You're going to come down here. You're going to plug in your information. You know, I'm 45 years old. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. I got $500,000. Plug that in. I want to retire at 65. So after 20 years, solve the math problem. Here we go. Get your quote. And you're going to get real-time quotes on what annuity companies are paying you. Now, the payouts will be on an annual basis, so just divide by 12. But you're going to be able to find out in real time here how much it's going to pay you per month. We don't put the insurance companies on here because the insurance companies don't want us to put the insurance companies out here. So if you want more details, unfortunately, you have to plug in your information down here in the form below. But what we're going to do is we're going to send you a 1 to 2 sheet PDF that'll show you all these different annuity companies and their payouts side by side. And you're going to be able to see the income payouts starting at anywhere from age 55 to age 85. And you'll know what the payouts are in each and every year for up to like 20 years. Okay. This way you can look at shoulder ages. So for example, if you want to retire at 65, you may want to find out what income is going to pay you at age 64 or age 66 or age 67. This sheet will do that. Here's what will not happen by doing this. We will not, if you email this form, we will send you the comparison form. We will not pick up the phone and call you and hound you down like these other annuity websites. We'll give you the information up front with no pressure, no obligation. And then if you're comfortable, you can just pick up the phone or email us back and we can go back and forth, right? Give you the knowledge that you want, answer all the questions you want, and you can pick up the phone. And if you want to apply for an annuity or go over a specific annuity, we can do that for you. No cost, no obligation. The insurance company pays us. This is the easiest way to do it without putting in an email or phone number into this calculator. So hope that helps. Hope you get as much knowledge as possible. And know that here at the Annuity Expert, we have a pressure-free environment and we do not chase people and call them several times a day until you pick up the phone. We really don't make outbound cold calls to leads. We only take leads we only pick up the phone and call people who want us to call them. Okay. So, because we want a 100% pressure-free environment for you. Because we know it's a big decision. The last thing you want is some telemarketer hounding you every single day to try to get you to write an annuity. We just don't do that. So, got a comment? Leave it below, and I'll answer it over the next couple of days, and we'll catch you on the next video. See you.